Shut up and sit down.
DLVTT.
DLVTT. Tommy.
And
Robert, the account.
we got a mini group pull here. We got $400 in the machine.
What are we playing?
Oh, $6 bets is where it's at right now, I think. Oh my gosh. You guys good with that? Good, because I hit it.
No.
Why did the volume turn down again? That's crazy. It must automatically turn itself down.
After you cash out, maybe.
We want volume, right? Oh,
Yeah.
I thought that was going to be a good one. This machine was just crazy awesome. Come on, two more. Come on. Come on. We need something big here, guys. Let's go. Buffalo. Let's check out this denom here. What else we got? Let's try some 5 cent. Stick with the $6 bet. Two more. Come on. We're looking for 3 coins to start. Two more. One more. Do it. Do it. Coin. Coin. Yes, we got it. We switched to 5 cent, but still the same $6 bet. And we got the 3 coin bonus. We're looking for 15 Buffalo head. 8 free games. Oh, 2 Buffalo head right away, but we need coins. We need lots of coins. Come on, coins. This is the 3rd Buffalo head.
I don't even work there anymore.
Oh, you don't?
I worked there for 25 years.
Oh, okay. We got 10s, times 2, times 3. Times 3. Come on. There's our 4th Buffalo head. That just changed the Eagles. All right. We definitely need coins. There's number 5, but we need coins to save it. This is the last spin. Coins. Yeah, we'll take the 40 whatever dollars. Oh, $60.40. Not bad at all. We're back up to $353 just like that. Go ahead, push the button. Bring in your luck. 2 more. Ooh. Do it!
Get it! Close.
Do it!
2 in a row. Go for the 3rd.
Come on.
Right back. My love. It's over.
What's the max bet on 1 cent?
Yeah.
$3.60, so that's a good bet. $9 line hit. Come on. Come on. Two more. Ooh, something sounded good over there. Couple more here. Two more. Do it. Yes.
Yeah.
One more.
One more.
Hey, we got 3 coin bonus on max bet 1 cent. That could be good. That's all it takes to get a hand tag. All right, 15 heads. Let's go in coins, and we got the free trigger right away.
One more.
One more. No, it's 2.5.
If he doesn't want to sit, he can sit here. Ah, okay.
One more. All right. All right, we need some buffalo heads to go with this. We're up to 24 bucks. There's some heads. We got 2 coins. And the third one.
One more.
Ooh, I thought we were going to get coins. Come on, coins. 3 triggers. Up to 41 bucks. Come on, re-triggers. Come on. 9 more spins. Re-trigger. Here's number 4.
You want to sit here?
No, we use the restroom.
Oh, you need the restroom. Okay.
Times 3. There we go. We got aces. That's a golden win. Ooh. Buffalo heads is number 6. Come on, we need re-triggers though. We got 4, only 4 spins left. Aces across. Times 2. Come on. Oh, Buffalo! Come on, we need coins though.
We need coins.
We desperately need coins. Let's get them. Coin. Yes, we
Yes.
got it. Coin.
One more.
Yes.
Yeah.
8 free trigger. We got 7 buffalo head right now. Can we get to 15? Coin.
Yes.
And that's number 8. Oh, buffalo.
And the coin.
Whoa, 2 more and buffalo all the way across. Times 3. Yeah, baby. Nice hit. That's an awesome hit. We got 10 buffalo collected. 7 more free games. We definitely
We need coins.
we need coins, but that's okay. We're getting them. Oh, we're up to 352. Come on, Buffalo! All right, we need coins though. That's 6 more free games. We got 10 Buffalo collected. Let's get some. All right, times 3, times 3.
Times 3.
Nothing amazing anyway, but let's go coins. 3 triggers. Come on. Coin. Buffalo, and that's number 11 on the Buffalo head. 4 more. Come on, we need re-triggers though. We're up to $406 on this bonus. Coin. All right, last spin, coins. All right, $406.20. All right. Come on. Two more. Do it. Coin.
Do it.
Coin. Nope. I saw the coin.
Yeah, the last one never got it.
Oh, the last one started. The second thing was coin.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately. There we go. Come on. All right. One more. Not on that one, but this, no, not gonna happen. Oh,
yeah, it is.
It did it. I saw the other coin.
Yes.
That's so rare to get
It
too.
is.
That
I
is
never
so
get
rare.
it on the last one.
No.
When-
I get
when
it
I
sometimes
limit-
on the last, but not if the coin already went through. That's nuts. All right, let's do it. Maybe we can double up our money and cash
It
out.
could.
That would be amazing. Double up the
Want me
money.
to go away again?
Yeah.
Please.
8 free games won. Go ahead, Tom. Press start.
Oh, Tom.
Either one. No, not him. We just. All right, we're getting back $4. All right, there's our first Buffalo head. Come on, we need
We
coins.
need 3 triggers.
Come on, coins. There was nothing there, huh? Queens. $19. We need some re-triggers. There's our second Buffalo. We got 3 games left unless we get some coins. There's number 3 and 4 on the Buffalo. All right, last spin if we don't get coins. Coin!
Oh,
Yeah. Can't win them all. $25.80. I said Tommy shouldn't push that button.
I'm going away again.
We're almost up to 700. All right, a couple more spins on the 1 cent.
change the gnome.
Yeah. Just wanted to see if there was a filthy bonus in there.
5. 5? No, 10.
Did
Okay,
we-
now do 10. That's okay.
You know what we haven't done any of is 2. On my live, I did some. We hit big on the 5.
Yeah. What I normally do is start 1, go to 10, go down to 2, go to 5.
So I do the same, but because I've been playing the machine for an hour now, off and on.
It's-
What I normally do is just throw like 100 to 500 in the trash and walk away.
I know. Yeah, I've seen you play.
Yes, thank you so much. All right, so this is $1.80 times 2, $2.40. Let's do some of these. Come on, 2 more, 1 more. Do it. Yes.
And another one.
Do it. Yes.
Yes!
4.
15 spins.
Ah, a 480 bet.
That's unbelievable. 2 days now.
Yeah.
$16 to start. Come on, let's get some Buffalo. All right, 15 free games. We need a lot of coins though. Come on, no dead spins. Like by no, I don't mean every.
Let me know if you want to. Okay?
Come on, well, there's our first buffalo. Come on, we need some free triggers. Coins. Coins.
Get those coins.
Buffalo head. Alright, we need some free triggers though.
Yeah.
We got 3 buffalo head up there. Up to 38 bucks. Let's go. Alright. Sometimes I find that it's like a curse to get 4 coins or... Alright. We need coins on this one to save it. Alright. Times 2. $71.20. Not bad at all. We're up to $750, guys. $748.30.
That's like 800, double our money.
So let's do this. Let's take it to 8 or 7. We're gonna go either way on the 100, and at 700 bucks, we're gonna have a decent profit. Almost 100 each profit.
You get the 800 to 100 each.
Yeah, one more. Not on that one. Do it on this one.
There it is.
Ooh, it's got to be close because I didn't see it. Come on. Ooh, buffalo. 40 bucks? No, 20. $6. There we go. Times 2. $66. Oh, $73.90. All right, can we do it? Can we do it?
Let's do it.
Yeah. Come on. Let me think about this for 1 second. What do we got? If we cash out pretty close to like the 780, that's 195 profit each. If we keep going down, it's going to be 150 profit each.
No, it's 90 profit.
Well, I'm sorry. We get back 195 each. Right. Sorry. Yeah. 95 profit each. What's the 60 times 2? Yeah, let's do this.
Still hit 8.
Just for fun.
Hit 8.
Or we'll go to 7. I don't know. What do you guys want to do? It's up to you. It's up to you guys. No, it's up to you. Want to do whatever you guys want to do. I'm almost feeling that it's almost like done. All right.
Okay,
All right. We're gonna cash this out, and we're probably gonna put it in something else. So, or at least 100 more in something else, or 95 each in something else. All right. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.